Hello everyone. Today I want to address the most frequently asked question that I get, and that is, how do I start building or flipping homes? Now, before we begin, I want to say that there's really no college course you can take or book you can read that'll help you break into this industry. So we're going to take it back to simple economics. Factors of production are three: land, labor, and capital. You have to have one of the three to effectively break into this business, and I'm going to break down each of those and how they apply to real estate so you can get started in this business too. Without a doubt, the single most important factor of production in this business is land. You can't build or flip a home if you don't have land to do it on. So if you don't have the labor part of it figured out and you don't have capital, but you're able to find the off-market deal, the estate, or the foreclosure before it hits the market, before other investors are able to get their hands on it, then it's very possible that you can get the labor and you can get the capital together through investors and break into this business. Right now we're standing in front of one of my projects, and as you look at it, you can see it's a huge piece, and it's very rare to find that these days, especially on Long Island. And we've already cleared the old house out. We're going to be excavating. As you can see, we got the machine right here in a couple days, and we're going to be making room for a new foundation. So the point is that land is a scarce resource, and if you don't have the other two, if you can find the deal and you can put the people together, then you can get into this business with very little experience. So what do I mean by labor? Do I mean you're actually going to go over there and start manually digging the hole for the foundation? Absolutely not. That's why we have machines. But when I say labor, I mean a skilled trade or craft. Framer, electrician, plumber, you have to bring something valuable to the table. And a lot of the people that follow me, a lot of the people that reach out to me already have one of those skills under their belt. As an investor, I'm much more likely to invest with someone that has a major piece of the formula already figured out. So let's say, for example, you're a framer. You got a big portion of this already figured out, and most likely through your work experience, you know a foundation guy, you know a plumber, you know an electrician, and you're able to put your network together. You're reaching out to investors, and between the two of you and the team that you've put together, you find a deal and you get your feet wet, you start rolling. But you do have one of those three factors of production, and through that, you're able to leverage the other pieces and get started in this business. So now I'm going to walk into this Chase Bank and I'm going to go raise some capital for my business. Obviously not. No one's giving money like that these days, especially after the last financial collapse. It's very, very hard to get money to flip houses. So what I've done is I've put together a network and I raise money privately. And that's how I've been doing it from the very beginning. It started with friends and family, and then I started reaching out to people that I know at the gym and people that I know in different walks of life, doctors and lawyers, people that are looking to invest some money, diversify their portfolios, and that's how I built my network. So if you want to do the same thing, if you want to get into this business, it's very important that you figure out where the money is going to come from, because like I said in the beginning of this episode, there's no college course you can take and there's no book you can read that's going to help you raise the funds. You're going to have to go out and get it. Just to recap, we have land, labor, and capital. If you have one of those, good. If you have more than one, great. Obviously, there's a lot more involved. There's a lot of moving parts than these three factors, and we covered a lot of those topics in earlier episodes. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so. And if you don't already follow me on Instagram, @Pinnacle Real Estate. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see all of you on the next episode.